Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by powering the camera and opening the Tapo app. Plug the C200 into a stable outlet and wait for the LED to flash. In the app, tap Add Device, choose C200, and allow location and camera permissions so the phone finds it. Enter your 4 GHz network name and password when prompted. Note the camera won't pair with 5 GHz. Once paired, assign a descriptive name and room so you can locate it later. Once the camera is on your network, refine its settings. You'll test signal quality, move the camera, or use a Wi-Fi extender if RSSI is poor, because latency affects live view. Configure motion detection, draw detection zones, and set sensitivity to reduce false alarms. Turn on smart detection if available for humans, set notifications. For storage, choose cloud or insert a micro SD card. Format it in the app. Finish by verifying core features. View live stream, move pan/tilt, and speak through two-way audio to confirm clarity. Update firmware immediately and enable account protections. Use a strong password and enable any available encryption. Once done, create recording schedules and notification rules that match your daily routine. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reboot the camera and router. Then perform a factory reset on the C200 and reconfigure with only the 4 GHz network to eliminate common pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.